how to do an Arco 4 count. The Arco strikes are 2 strikes in a diagonal line. So you have your normal X strike, you have your diagonal lines, but now we're gonna hit twice. So you hit the target, make a circle around your head and hit it again. On the way back we make a diagonal strike, we make a circle and we hit it again. It's not diagonal, circle, then you get more of an X strike into a rotondo, but the motion goes through. So there are 2 hits and your arm continues in a straight or in a diagonal line. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your Arco 4 count. It's great for wrist control, to chain your strikes together, and it looks kind of cool. You can vary your Arco between fast, hard, or maybe a little bit wider with nice stances to make it more beautiful, to use them in your forms or whatever. So, the Arco, take the diagonal line, strike, 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 strike. I'll show you from the side. So we have the diagonal lines, but you hit twice. 1 circle, 2, 1 circle, 2. Now let's see how that looks on a target. So my lovely assistant, Mr. Bob, let's see with the Arco. So in a normal diagonal line, you hit the face or the shoulder, Now we're gonna hit it twice. So you hit the face, make a circle and hit it again. Hit the face, circle and hit it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4. These strikes generate more power. These are faster. So the Arco 4 count is an attack. 1, 2, 3, 4. But usually you use it to chain strikes together, practice your pickups, have a nice flow in your weapon. The Arco 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good luck with practicing.